great to be the part of such a big expo happening in India.
And feeling good to be here after a long time.
Very good organized event. So many participation is there.
So the B2B customers, what we are looking for, they are here. So we are completely happy with this expo. We are not participating in any other expos.
A very healthy environment. So all the industries, even international participants are coming here.
So we are getting connected with our old customers, which we could not.
The reason why we come again and again is because we get business. So in terms of getting new partners or end customers, I'm very happy with Roof India.
If anybody out there is interested in any roofing solutions, they should visit Roof India.
I wasn't expecting people to spend their time in an event like this in the middle of the week.
Roof India is very much important for each and every companies as well as the traders also. From there they can cater the knowledge about new products and other stuffs.
Here we meet different range of products, different customers, different sort of inquiries. We also get to know a lot of new products, what are the new things are in market.
It helps us in the sense of showcasing our new innovations or new product to the people or the customers.
This day it's good. We are meeting a lot of people in the industry, new people. So, we are at the right spot, and everything is planned very well. So we're very excited, looking forward to the next 2 days as well.
It's a big country, it's a developing country, change is happening, and this is a good platform to communicate our products and our services to the broad public. Yeah.
It's really very much excited that response is also very much good. We didn't anticipate that this much people will come.
The new product launches according to the Roof India exhibition. So even this year, if you see, we have launched 3 products.
Roof India is a platform to create your brand.
Platform like this, we are able to interact with new customers. There are many newbies, many entrepreneurs who want to learn about the product. So it is very good to have all the people under one roof.
The intellectual mindset people will be coming across. So obviously it would be easy for us. It's like one-stop shopping.
I met many new clients here, many real people who are interested to do something new.
Definitely it's a pan-India exhibition, not at pan-India, then some time we are getting a customer from the out of India also.
Thumbs up to Roof India.
Thumbs up, Roof India.
Thumbs up Roof India.
Roof India.
Roof India.
Roof India.
Roof India.
Roof India!
Roof India.
Roof India.
Roof India.